Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am just going to go through this fault code, so P1604. Now this could be all sorts of things causing it. The main thing that I would do, so this is a 1.5 petrol Toyota Yaris. It doesn't matter, in the Toyota and Lexus world you will get this fault code. If you do, and if it starts, don't worry about it, drive, it's not the end of the world. In some cases, if you ask me, take my advice, I'd check the battery first, okay, to see if there is full power going to the car and the correct voltages going around the car. If it isn't, then change the battery. That's my main first step. Obviously, if it doesn't, it's a trial and error, but you could do a live data on specific components to see if it does come back. EGR, throttle body, whatever it is, you know, like you can, there's a list that I'll put on so you guys can see what you can tick off. But the throttle body is another common issue. Again, it's here, that there. It's common in all the Toyota and Lexus world. But look at the list, there it is, and just tick it off. But first thing I'd go to would be the battery, there is no question. See if there is a power voltage around, and then the alternator and whatnot.